So this is certificates from May releasing to our clients. So I've got 17 here, which I need to deliver to my clients. A lot of them. The first one. So this is Marcus, which I need to do now. And he lives down there on this area. So for any clad heel repairs, please call me. Hi, there is Andre from London Electrician, Grey Hill Pull Repair. On this video presentation, I call here a Steflow water heater cylinder. This is 150 liters. Over here I've got some major damages. Pipes are leaking. The expansion vessel is really full. There is not any service book with this boiler, and then the heating element stopped working. So what we're gonna do, I will disconnect this cylinder today in full. We will remove it out, and then our team will come back today to replace this cylinder and screw back a Joule Cyclone 150 liters. So I will show you soon what I'm gonna do and how we will take this out and what we'll put back. So let's do this job now. Thank you. Alright, we managed to disconnect this out. It's a little bit blocked. Look at this. So this boiler, this immersion heater, is really blocked. The temperature pressure relief valve does not work properly, and it's fully scaled. So now I will take this downstairs, and then I will bring a brand new cylinder up, and our team will start to put another one back on. So I'll show you next and how the job will be complete by our team. Thanks.
We just installed this Joule Cyclone today, and we just have to commission. We have a 7 economy programmer here, which is up and running on a boost at the moment, and customer, he need to learn the instructions to use it like nighttime, you know, because the electricity is more cheaper.